Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can save the snap you have posted on story on your memories and camera roll. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your story. Now, select the three dots icon. After that, you can see the option named Save Snap. Tap on it, and that's it. Your desired story has been saved on both of your memory and camera roll.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.